Next question. Sigma R is equals to 0 to N. R into NCR is equal to sigma R is equal to 1 to N. R into NCR is equals to 1 into NC1 plus 2 into NC2 plus 3 into NC3 plus etc. plus up to N into NCN. So now these two are same, because if you put R is equal, because R equal to 0 to start just 1 to start just the same. Because R is equal to 0 is 0 well, R is equal to 1 to N. So R is equal to 1 and start in. That's why these two are same. So now what you do is this is equal to, first you take for solution. So we need to find the value of this one. This series value we need to find. That is, first you take R is equals to 0 to N, R into NCR. Now use this result here. R into NCR. Whenever R into NCR you see, this result should come into your mind. That is, R into NCR is equal to N into N minus 1 C R minus 1. So this is equal to, first this is equal to sigma R is equals to 0 to N. Here this is N into, so this is N into N minus 1 CR minus 1. This is the first step. Now you take out N outside. Now sigma R is equals to 0 to N. But here this R is equal, for already we have seen in last class also, here for R is equals to 0 is not allowed, because after writing R minus 1, for R is equal to 0, here you will have minus 1. That is not allowed. That's why you change. Here R starts from what? 1 to N. R is equal to 1 to N. N minus 1 C R minus 1. Now if you put R is equals to 1, then N minus 1 C0. For R is equal to 2, N minus 1 C1. For R is equal to 1, R is equal to N, N minus C N minus 1. That is, this is of the form NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2, etc. That is 2 power N. Therefore, this is equal to N into 2 power N minus 1. 2 power N minus 1. So this is the result. Now, therefore, finally, you can write R is equals to 0 or 1. R is equal to 1 to N. R into NCR is equals to N into 2 power N into 2 power N minus 1. N into 2 power N minus